Hello बच्चों, let's have a look at this question which says calculate the molar solubility of FeOH2 at a pH of 8.0. Ksp of FeOH2 is 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 14. तो यहाँ पे हमें different values provided हैं molar solubility की, जिसे हमें calculate करना है with the help of the value provided for Ksp. Key concept here is solubility product, which is denoted by KSP. तो ये क्या होता है ये हम देखेंगे. पहले हम values लिख लेते हैं जो हमें question में provided है. तो value of pH is provided which is 8.0 and KSP value हमें दी हुई है which is solubility product value FeOH2 के लिए which is 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 14. तो pH value हमें provided है, हम pOH calculate कर सकते हैं with the relation pOH is equal to 14 minus pH. इससे हमें क्या मिल जाएगा 14 minus 8 equals to 6. अब pOH हमें 6 मिल गया है तो हाइड्रोक्साइड के कॉन्सेंट्रेशन कैसे फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं. So there is a relation between concentration and pOH which is concentration is equal to 10 raised to the power minus pOH. तो इस relation से OH का concentration हमें मिल गया equals to 10 raised to the power minus 6. अब concentration हाइड्रोक्साइड आयन की हमें मिल गई है. अब हम मोलर solubility of ferrous हाइड्रोक्साइड कैलकुलेट कर सकते हैं. पहले इसका डिसोसिएशन देख लेते हैं. तो FeOH2 ferrous hydroxide will dissociate to form Fe2 plus ions and 2OH negative ions. तो अगर हम इसकी solubility S मान लें and इसको भी हम S assume कर लें तो this will be 2S, right? KSP value KSP equation हम इसकी फॉर्म कर लेते हैं. solubility product equation, this is defined as the product of molar concentration of ions raised to their stoichiometric coefficient. तो इसका concentration हम ले लेंगे Fe2 plus का concentration, stoichiometric ratio इसका 1 है, stoichiometric coefficient into concentration of hydroxide raised to its stoichiometric coefficient which is 2. KSP value हमें provided है which is 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 14. Fe की कैलकुलेट अगर हम कर लें तो Fe2 plus multiplied by OH का concentration जो हमने find out किया था which was 10 raised to the power minus 6 raised to the power 2. तो इसको हम rearrange कर लें equation को तो it will be 1.6 into 10 raised to the power minus 14 divided by 10 raised to the power minus 12 equals to concentration of Fe2 plus इससे हमें concentration क्या मिल जाएगा. It will be, इसे rearrange करके हम लिख लेते हैं तो concentration of Fe2 plus will be 1.6 into 10 raised to the power minus 2 which is equals to 0.016. तो Fe की 0.016 ये S की वैल्यू है. तो S Fe2 plus के लिए भी था and ferrous hydroxide के लिए भी सेम था. तो this is equal to molar solubility of FeOH2 2, that is ferrous hydroxide. Hence, the molar solubility of ferrous hydroxide at a pH of 8 is 0.016. I hope you understood it well. Thank you and best of luck.